Everybody. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Sheila. I'm a recreation technician here at Champlain College, and I work in student services. And you're on our Serious and Silly web series, which brings our Champlain community together.
And I am Scott O'Brien. Welcome. I am also a recreation technician in student services, and we have a lot of important dates at the college. From the first day of school, seeing all those smiling faces, to graduation, where we get to celebrate your accomplishments.
But one of the most important events that we have is actually something that's going to be happening on November 1st. And this is why we have our guest here, Geneviève Montreuil, or Jen, which comes from us to us from the registrar's office here at Champlain College. So Jen, why don't you take a little bit of a couple minutes to talk about who you are, what you do at the college, and speak about the amazing event that we have coming up November 1st.
Okay, hi everyone. My name is Geneviève, but everyone calls me Jen. I work in the registrar's office, and I've been working here for about 6 years, which is crazy to think. It goes by so fast. A little bit about myself. I guess I'll tell you things that people don't really know about me. I'm a ringette player in the winter and was a baseball player in the summer. Been to about 39 concerts, but I worked at the Bell Center, so my list is like so much longer, but officially 39. I work in the registrar's office, so a little bit about my job. I do admissions, so I work with the admissions officer very closely to inform future students about what they need to have to come here to Champlain, and depending on the program. So we'll go on recruitment events. Now virtually it's been different. So we've been doing recruitment events online. So the academic advisors we host like virtual meetings like this with hundreds of students from high schools. And we answer all the questions, give them a presentation and answer their questions. So I'm there to pretty much help the academic advisors. And then there's open house, which is a huge part of our job here in the registrar's office, promoting all our programs, all the services we offer. And so it's going to be on Sunday, November 1st. And this year is going to be different. It's going to be virtually. And the past few weeks, we've had a film crew on campus who have been filming faculty, staff, support staff, students, current students, alumni. So it's been a lot of fun. It's been it's huge, like different experience, but it's been nice to see people too on campus. So how the open house is going to work is it's going to be virtual. So the company that we had come in, I don't know if you guys have gone to look online and looked at like if you're buying a house and you can virtually walk through the school. So that's exactly what they're doing right now. So they've gone through the entire school and most of the important, I mean, not all the classrooms, but just to give a view of different classrooms and labs. So you'll be able to walk around the school. So there'll be like little circles and you keep going around and you can see, like, it's like you're in the school. It's actually really impressive. And honestly, we looked at it and the school looks good. It really does. So another way, so you'll be able to visit the school, and then you'll also be able to chat and also Zoom with faculty, some of the professionals, and you'll be able to have all your questions answered that way. So all the information will be posted on it's going to be on our website. So champlainonline.com, you're going to go through there and you'll be able to access our virtual open house.
That is so cool, Jen. I cannot wait to check that out. Even though I do work from the college, and I'm sure it's going to be a fun experience, just like clicking and maneuvering our way in there. Great option that you guys created there at the registrar's office for upcoming new students. So thank you so much for doing that. But Scott, I think we forgot to do the most important thing ever.
It's serious.
And silly.
But seriously.
But silly. Serious.
But silly!
With Scott and Sheila.
And Jen!
And Jen!
I love it!
All right, enough of this, other stuff. This serious stuff, Jen.
Yeah.
Jen, you are a wonderful person. And the one thing you, me, and Sheila have in common is we all have a love for the Bachelor and Bachelorette. Right, Sheila?
I was about to
I really don't. I don't. I don't know. This game is, anyways, you'll see what happens.
The Bachelor.
I wasn't the biggest fan, but I needed to impress my sister-in-laws. So they watched it, and then I became an addict to watching it.
Oh my gosh. Well, now I know too. You and Scotty.
The Bachelor and Bachelorette are known for two things. One is that they're all crazy, and two is that they have their 15 minutes of fame. So usually their 15 minutes comes and goes, but we are going to test you today, Jen, to see if you can remember, you know, who the, I guess, winners are?
Oh, gosh.
Bachelor and Bachelorette?
Dun, dun, dun.
Oh, I cannot minimize Zoom all recording, Sheila. Wait,
What do you mean?
hold on a second.
You're going to share your screen.
There's some minor kinks going on. Okay, good. We got this. Don't
Technical
worry.
difficulties.
Everything
It's
is okay. I am an expert. I am a Zoom expert. All right. So what we're going to do, Jen, is we're going to ask you, you know, we're going to show you a picture, and then we're going to ask you who this couple is.
Oh my God, I'm so bad at names.
You could do.
But I'll be good. I'll be good.
We believe in you, Jen.
So the first one is actually a Champlain alumni. So this should be an easy one for you. So
Vanessa Grimaldi.
let's see if you got this one.
Yes. Oh my God, what's his name? Wait. I'm thinking. So it's Vanessa and,
It's like such a common,
okay, what's the
Name.
first letter?
there's
First
4
letter-
letters inside of it.
The first letter is N, as in
Nick! How did I not remember that?
Nick and Vanessa.
Good job, Jen. We're giving that to you. Okay?
That was entered. I like that season because it was fun to have her from Montreal, you know, something different.
Yeah,
She
for
was
sure. For sure.
Oh my
Scotty,
God.
I can't, you're going to have to share it. Sorry, Jen.
No, don't be sorry. You should have seen my technical difficulties setting myself up here.
All right,
Oh my.
Jen?
So I can say Crazy Girl Omax.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm so bad at names.
They got married? I mean, they got engaged?
These are not actually winners. These guys got engaged on Bachelor in
Bachelor.
Paradise for all those.
Oh my
She was obsessed with him. So obsessed with him from day one.
You guys are hilarious, man.
Oh my God, why can't I
Okay,
remember their
It
names?
starts with an A. Her starts with an A.
Oh my gosh.
And his starts with a J.
It's Ash.
Ashley, and I'm so bad at names.
It's okay. It's okay. His name is
Jordan.
No, close though. Jared.
Ashley and Jared.
Ashley and Jared. It's okay.
Yeah.
One for one.
Entry.
Don't worry. Don't worry.
All right, this
okay.
one should be easy. She's not a Champlain alumni, Jen, but she is Canadian.
Oh yes.
So this one should be easy, but do you know the guy's name is the question that I'm going to be asking you.
The guy's name. I'm picturing her. She's on Dancing with the Stars.
She is.
Yeah. See,
All
I'm
right,
a
here
very
she
visual
comes.
person. People who know me know I'm so bad at names. Oh,
Look how happy they are, Sheila.
yeah. They're so different too.
Okay. His
It
name.
starts with a J?
No. K.
Not Kevin. No.
Oh, his. No, his starts with an S. Do you know who what my brother's name is, Jen?
No.
No. Okay. It's his name.
Okay, give me the second letter
Of which one?
of his name. She's Kristen.
She's not Kristen.
She's not Kristen. Hey, listen,
Clearly
everyone
this
who knows me really
15
well
minutes
knows
of
I am
fame,
the
Jen.
worst at names.
That's okay.
Clearly their 15 minutes of fame did not last more than 15 minutes. This is Caitlin and Sean.
Caitlin and
Vancouver's
Sean.
own Caitlin
Yes.
Bristow.
So
So
Scott,
sorry, guys. I'm so
oh my
bad at
God,
this.
don't even worry. I would literally get 0 on this the whole game.
All right.
I
let's do
watched
one
the
more,
show
Scotty.
and I'm gonna get 0.
Make it easy, make it easy.
I've saved the easiest one for last.
Okay.
Both their names, I think, start with the same letter, Sheila, so this should be easy.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, they were my favorite. So he's Jordan.
Oh,
She's Jojo.
yay!
Jordan and
I
Jojo.
didn't get one.
Jordan and Joe.
I love them.
That's awesome. Cool. Thank you so much for playing with us today, Jen.
Well,
You're
thanks for
awesome.
having me. This was
I love working
great.
with you.
I know I wasn't the best at the game, but
Who
It is
cares?
I mean, I got 4 on 4.
I know, Scott. You're probably like, do you really watch the show, Jen? I swear I do.
Scott's obsessed though. That's a
I know.
problem.
But you know what? It's amazing because I don't really have anyone to talk about the show with. So when I see him, except for I didn't watch it this week, so tonight. So
Serious
say
and
anything.
silly spin-off, Bachelor Talk with Jen and Scott.
oh,
I like
that's
it. I like it. I like it. I
Well,
like
you
it.
would have to join us, Sheila. You would have to.
I'll be a guest. I'll be a guest. So Jen, if somebody wants to contact the registrar's office, what do they do?
So I think the best way to contact the registrar's office is by sending us an email or calling us. So our email address is admissions with an S at the end at crcmail.net. You can also call with your admission questions. So the phone number 450-672-7360, and you call the admissions line. So it's 3217. And generally I answer the phone, so you'll be talking to me. But yeah, so whatever questions, if sometimes I'll spend 2 minutes with a student on the phone, 20 minutes with a student on the phone. I'm here to answer all admissions questions, there's no, it's fine. Call us, contact us, because you want to make sure you have what you need to go into a specific program, and sometimes talking to someone really helps you decide, some students want to go in science, don't have the high sciences in high school. Some people want to go into nursing, don't have the chemistry that's been completed in the last 5 years. There's sometimes some things that it's better to talk to with somebody. So you can
that's
call
great.
us, you can send us an email, we'll always answer.
Yeah, it's such a great department, such a supportive group. So if ever you have questions, please contact them. And for those of you that would like to continue watching our web series, please follow us on our Champlain Saint-Lambert YouTube page. We post on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And yeah, thank you so much, Jen. You're awesome.
Call me Vanessa.
Yeah, maybe she'll see this. And don't forget our open house Sunday, November 1st, 1 to 4 online. Our
There you go.
ChamplainOnline.com.
ChamplainOnline.com. Perfect. November 1st. Be there.
Be there.
All right.
Thanks,
Take care,
guys.
everybody. Bye.
Bye.